beautiful beaders, or should I say jewelry lovers. This is Gina from orchidopaljewelry.com, and I've got a little bit of a different video for you today. This doesn't have anything to do with jewelry making, but it does have to do with jewelry. The wonderful ladies at Glamour Jewelry Box reached out to me recently and asked me if I would like to unbox their box on my channel and check it out. So they did send me this box to review and just unbox for you guys. I'm not here to sell you a box or anything like that. They didn't pay me to do this post. All the opinions that I'm going to express today are my own, but I thought it would be fun because I know a lot of you do also enjoy subscription unboxings as well as looking at beautiful things, and we all enjoy jewelry here, of course. So I'm really excited to see what's inside. This is, like I said, a monthly subscription. It costs $29.95 a month, and you do get 3 gorgeous pieces of jewelry. You get a necklace, a bracelet, and earrings. It is a little bit cheaper if you sign up for their 3-month option, and you do have the ability to skip months if you want. By the way, shipping is about $3 per box in the US, and they do have a coupon code that they want to offer to you guys if you're interested in saving 10% off your first month's box, and that is the code OPAL10. OPAL10, again, to save 10% off your first box. So I have no idea what's inside. I've seen a lot of pictures on their website of past boxes, and all the jewelry fits my style to a T, so I'm really excited. Everything's really on trend and simple, minimalist, and beautiful. So if you like that type of jewelry, you'll probably like this box. So let's get into it. Cannot wait. So first of all, I mean, can we just address how gorgeous this box is? Look at the beautiful marbling pattern. It's just stunning. I love beautiful packaging like that. Okay, so look, we have a card in here, and all right, so our jewelry is in this little bag, and then it looks like we've got a card just explaining the 3 pieces that are inside, and they do say that their boxes have a retail value generally of about $75. I'm not a person that spends a lot of money on jewelry. Obviously, I make a lot of jewelry, and I'm also kind of a thrifty person, so I don't spend a lot, so it's nice to get 3 pieces in a box that would cost about $30. It comes to about $10 a piece, which I definitely think is really reasonable. So let's see what this says. It says, "Glamour is shine and confidence. We hope you enjoy this month's jewelry selection. Each piece was carefully curated to help you sparkle." So here's their website. I'll also put that down below in the description section under the video. You can also find them on Instagram. By the way, this company is owned by 2 sisters out of Phoenix, Arizona, so it's always great to support a small business here in the US that is women-owned. I love that. So let's get into it. I'm going to move the box out of the way, and we'll take a look at everything. Looks like the first thing on our card is going to be a necklace. So let me pull that out, and we'll take a look. Okay, so our necklace came in this bag here. Let me open it up, and that way I can make sure it's not tangled and everything. We'll get a close look at it. Oh, it's in really good shape. So let's take a look. Oh, wow, that's really pretty. Very simple and elegant, minimalist, very on trend. That's exactly the type of jewelry that I gravitate to. Let me make sure this chain isn't kinked up or anything. No, looks good. Looks very good. Very shiny. There is a extending option on here, which is great. Very nice. So this could definitely be dressed up or down easily, and it's great for everyday wear as well. That's beautiful. So let's see what the card says. It says, "This Kendra Scott-inspired hexagon necklace is simple yet a timeless piece with delicate diamonds, perfect for everyday wear." That's for sure. Retails for $25. To get this in a box for $30, making this about $10, it's definitely a great deal, and it's very, very pretty. I would get a lot of use out of that. I'm sure I'm gonna be grabbing this a lot to wear, and I think it would be beautiful for layering, which is a big thing right now too, is layering different necklaces together, so I think that would be gorgeous. Okay, so our next item on our card is a bracelet, so let me pull that out. It's called the Oval Stone Bracelet. Ooh, oh, that's cool. So let me take it out of the bag and try it on. So here it is. It looks like it's one of those that you could kind of bend it a little bit if you need to to get it to fit your wrist. So that is gorgeous. So my wrist is about 6.5 inches, just putting a measuring tape right against my skin. So this looks to be about, you know, about 7 inches, but you could definitely bend it a little bit if you have a larger wrist, or you could make it smaller if you needed to tighten it up a little bit. That's beautiful. So these are just like a seafoam green kind of colored stone that looks beautiful with this gold. That's very nice. This gold looks to be kind of a little bit brushed. It's got a little bit of a brushed texture on it. Definitely would go well with the necklace. That's very nice. I can definitely see myself wearing this quite often, and it feels very comfortable on. Doesn't feel like I'm wearing hardly anything, which is nice. All right, so let's move on to the last item, which is a pair of earrings. These are called stone earrings. By the way, it says the bracelet retails for $34. Stone earrings retail for $24. Oh, wow. These look really cool. These look really cool. Can't wait to see what these look like all straightened out. Oh, my goodness. These are different than any other earrings that I've ever worn. These are so beautiful. I love these. That's really neat. So I can picture these on for sure. I would definitely gravitate towards them. Again, just the very clean and simple lines, very shiny. Nothing's kinked up or anything. Those stones are beautiful. So let me see what the card says real quick. It says, these turquoise earrings pair exceptionally well with the oval stone bracelet. Also looks great on its own as a subtle statement piece. That's for sure. Again, I think something that you could really dress up or down. It does look great with the bracelet as well. You can see that everything here would actually coordinate really well if you wanted to wear all these pieces together. It definitely would look very, very nice together, very trendy and elegant. But I just can't get over the shape of these earrings and how cool that is, how they would go in. And so, of course, this would be dangling off the back of your ear, and then you would just see this part in the front. So yeah, I mean, I'm definitely very impressed with the Glamour Jewelry Box. For, you're talking $10 per piece of jewelry. That's a great deal. Shipped to your home. If you're a jewelry lover like I am, if you don't like to spend a lot of money on jewelry, if you like really trendy pieces, very simple pieces like this, you'd probably love them as well. And I just want to say that their customer service seems to be great. They definitely make a point to reply to people within 24 hours if they have any kind of questions. And so if you need to reach out to them for any reason, I'm sure that they would be more than happy to get back to you very quickly. So once again, I'm not here to sell you a box or anything like that, and this wasn't sponsored or anything, but I'm always happy to share with you new subscription boxes, particularly if they have to do with jewelry and jewelry making. So hope you don't mind this box. It's different than what I would normally share on my channel, but I promise you I will be back to the jewelry making topic very, very soon. I'll be back with more finished jewelry updates, more bead and jewelry making subscription unboxings, and more tutorials. But for now, just take those in and enjoy these pretty pieces. Maybe they could also inspire you in your jewelry making somehow. Don't forget, if you want to sign up, you can use that code OPAL10, OPAL10, to save 10% off your first month's box. And I'll list their website down below. I want to thank everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you very soon on my next video. Bye, guys! If you enjoyed this video, I'd love you to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you'd like to see more of my videos, and check out the video description section to follow along on all of my social media handles, and check out my new website and blog at orchidandopal.com. Thanks for watching!